Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download RDR, that is Red Dead Redemption 2, launched by Rockstars, right? The same company who launched GTA Grand Theft Auto. So you can download it from the Steam, you can also download from the official launcher of Rockstar Games, right? So here, if you just use the Steam here, you can go to the store here, right? In the store section. Okay, let me just go to the features section right now here. Now here you can just now look for Red Dead Redemption 2. You will find this game here. Now scroll down, click on add to cart. As you know that earlier you have to buy this game. Click on view my cart here, and I will just remove this old game. Click on continue to payment and select your card of which payment mode you would like to go. Click on continue. Once you have downloaded the game, purchase the game, it will automatically show in your library. Make sure you have selected game section here, and you first of all you have to install, and you can just go and click on play. Same goes for RDR. Now here RDR is this, right? Here you can just go and click on buy now. The rate is very much different. For example, I will just I want to buy it from my PC, so I will just go and click on compare edition, and you can compare the edition here. So this is ultimate edition, this is RDR 2. Make sure I will just select the same option here, right? I want to check the rates as well as. Okay, so now let's go back for now. Okay, and it's around 3000, and same goes, it's here in the 4000. This is a normal RDR, this is also normal RDR, right? So the stream prices is much more lower as compared to the official launcher of Rockstar. So you can just go and click on buy now, and you can also buy now from here. You have to enter your, first of all you have to log in using your Rockstar ID, which you can just create very easily. Just like how you choose a payment mode in Steam, you can also choose a payment mode from here and go and just buy. This is it guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.